Hello friend, welcome back. So good news is here that we already released the dark theme for mobile app for testing daily. Now we have added the dark theme support for browser extensions as well as the website. Soon it will be available on website as well. So what you have to do, simply just update the testing daily plugin on your browser. Let me show you how you can do that. So you have the testing daily plugin here. What you have to do, right click on the logo and manage extension, click on this, and here you will see the update. Click on update, and now testing daily is updated. So this is the latest version you will be having on your browser, and you can also see here the version number 1.007. So this is the version from which onwards testing daily will be supporting the dark theme. And here you will see the icon, this icon on the bottom. Here you have to click on this icon here to change it to dark theme, and whenever you want to change it to light theme, you just click again. So this is how you can use the browser extension testing daily in dark theme. It's very simple and straightforward. Here at the bottom you will find the icon, so just click on this, and again, if you want to change that, click on that. So yeah, enjoy the dark theme and let us know how did you like it, whether you are using the testing daily in light theme or dark theme. You will definitely love it. It's really amazing. You just open any article and the look and feel, you will really like it. So now we have the testing daily available across on mobile uh, extension, and as well as website also it will be available very soon. Okay, great. So that was the quick update. Please like, share, and let others know about the testing daily. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed to get all the latest update on all our tools. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye.